Good morning, good day, good afternoon, whatever time it is. Good day to you guys. And for those who are returning, a warm, sincere welcome. For those who are new, welcome to the home of success. It is with our greatest delights, all the way from South Africa. First class institution, guys. This is a home of success. Now, guys, we just bring you something in which is gonna boggle your mind. Of course, it's a synthetic idea which already does exist. It's not us who came up with this, but it's just something. It's not gonna change your strategy, but it's just something that's gonna, well, in this case, make you profit from the market while you're not physically there trading, right? It's not some sort of reward or anything. We're using pending orders, right, guys? All of you know what pending orders are. So how can you use them in multiple before you even know what's going to happen in the market? Now, for example, this was the 2000 pips move yesterday that occurred. How could you have capitalized on this and still not be present in the market, like literally be 7 hours off the market, but still come back to a decent amount of profit like this? Now, what happened yesterday is I had to attend to an event by Mercedes yesterday, so obviously I couldn't turn down the event, and I still wanted to trade on top of that. So how did I do that? Now, some pictures are gonna pop up right now. The market was in around this area, as it is shown right now. The market was in around this area, and let's quickly go to the picture. So as I was saying, the market was in this area, and as you guys can see, the time down there is 10:26 hours. Right now, this was what was going on. The green area was where I knew that, okay, typical human reaction. The market is ranging, and I know as soon as the market breaks above this range, I wanna be in the upside move, right, with the market. And as soon as it breaks this trend line, which was the H1 trend line, I also not be pushed up with the market. Now, the downside to this is it's basically hedge funding, but in a more risk managed manner. And as soon as the market did break below, I wanted to be in on the sell, and guys, it happened as exactly as planned, right? So of course we suffered 2 losses because of the market did push up and moves this into a loss, and I also had a trade in around this area. It was a loss, right? Now we were 2 losses down, and probably, yeah, it's not huge losses, but you don't want to be losing 2 times in a row, but it happened anyways. So later on, I came back to my trade around 10. Is it 5 hours? Around 10 hours later, the trade was running a decent. I got a sell trade which was running a decent 2000 pips, which paid for all the losses, and on top of that, it enabled us to end the day profitable, right? So of course this is not new, guys. It's always been there, but how can you properly use it to your advantage this way? Find out what levels of ranging or resistance area in which, like for example, people sold here 3 times, right? Now what you want to do, you want to place your buy order in above the range area, and your stop loss below, just beneath the range resistance or support. And as soon as the market does trigger, you have a certain 1:3 ratio reward, and hope for the market to take profit. If it doesn't, it comes back like this, hits your stop loss. Now, okay, okay, here's another area, 1, 2, 3. This is support area, right? And again, this area still does hold a lot of sell inventory. So put your orders once more. Now, you wouldn't have been triggered right here, but this market could have triggered you right there, and you could have been a good, decent, probably 1,000 pips in profit and ending your day great and successful. And that's how I feel it should be utilized, guys. Whatever you guys do with this, I just hope it finds useful. I couldn't just leave you guys hanging like this. You know, it's not all about analysis all the time. We do want to bring great content like this, and guys, we will do even more to meet again. God bless. Adios. Cheers.